Habpro, your reliable entry and security gate service provider in all of Metro Atlanta and North Georgia.
Hey, we're up here in Gainesville, Georgia today. House on the lake, and their gate had been hit by a delivery truck, just enough to set the gate out of whack. And they've got a couple German Shepherds. They wanted the dogs to stay in the yard, so we're out here taking care of this. This is an old, just about an antique Door King system, as you can see right here. But they're back up and running. Beautiful view out to the lake up there. For all your gate operator needs, garage doors too. Habpro Garage Doors, 770-985-3355, or find us on the web at habprogaragedoors.com.